Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can get tuition assistance through Amazon Career Choice, step by step, clear, and quick. Step 1. Check your eligibility. To qualify, you must be a regular Amazon employee, full-time, part-time, or seasonal, who has worked 90 days or more. Make sure your role and site are included in the program. Step 2. Explore approved programs. Log into the Amazon Career Choice portal using your A to Z credentials. Browse partner schools, certificate programs, college pathways, language courses, and other approved educational tracks. Step 3. Select your school and program. Choose a Career Choice approved institution. Each program lists costs, formats, and schedules. Pick the one that aligns with your career goals. Amazon covers tuition up front for eligible programs. Step 4. Submit your request. Inside the portal, click Request Payment or Apply for the program you selected. Provide any required documentation. Amazon sends payment directly to the school, so there's no reimbursement hassle. Step 5. Enroll and start studying. Once approved, follow the school's enrollment instructions, keep track of deadlines, and confirm Amazon's payment has been applied to your account. Step 6. Maintain your eligibility. Stay active as an Amazon employee, meet attendance requirements, and follow program guidelines to keep receiving support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.